In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your account PIN on TOSHIBA Dynabook Tecra. As you can see, I have a PIN to my account, and if you've forgotten it, you can click on I forgot my PIN, but only if you're logged in with a Microsoft account. And I'm gonna tell you first about when you are logged in with a Microsoft account. Later on, I'm gonna also talk about if you're logged in with the local account. So if you know your password to the Microsoft account, or just have access to your email so you can restore the password to the Microsoft account if you've forgotten that, then it's gonna be pretty easy. You can just click on I forgot my PIN, then click on that again because it doesn't catch it the first time, and now enter your password to your Microsoft account. If you don't remember it, you can click on forgot password or just email code to your email, so you can just enter the code without entering the password, but you need to have access to that email. I'm gonna talk in a moment about what if you don't have access to it. So, oh sorry, I didn't actually mean to do that. I meant to just enter the password since I know it. And then I'll need to enter the code that was sent to my email as just a verification of my identity. And now I can click on continue and set a new PIN to my account. Please make sure that you remember it this time. Now let's talk about what if you you just can't reset it with the Microsoft account. Then the only way to restore your laptop is to, unfortunately, install a fresh copy of Windows, which means all of your data will be deleted besides the things that have been backed up. And if you want to install Windows from a USB, you can watch a video on our channel on it. You can just see the full step-by-step guide on how to install that Windows. But what if you have a local account and you've forgotten the password? Then you can either enter the wrong password, and after you enter it, you'll have an option to restore the password, and you will need to answer the security questions that you've answered earlier as you were setting up the password. That's why it's important to have your to answer truthfully to these questions, so you just don't forget the passwords to them, because the security questions, there are 3 of them once you set up the local account password. And that will just be something like the name of your first pet or the city you were born in. And if you answer to them truthfully, you just won't forget these answers, and you can just enter them when you want to restore your password. But if you can't answer to the security questions, since you just don't know the answers to them, then the only way to restore your laptop is to install Windows from USB as well. And as I've said before, you can watch that video on our channel. Unfortunately, it'll erase all the data that hasn't been backed up. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.